Gusto mo bang kumita ng 50,000, 100,000, 300,000, or even 1 million buwan-buwan, pero maliit lang ang kapital? Alam mo, sa totoo lang, sa pagninegosyo, kailangan mo ng malaking kapital para kumita ng malaki. At kailangan mo rin ng maraming skills at maraming oras para matutukan yung negosyo mo. Right? Imagine, meron kang 50,000 or 100,000 na pamuhunan, maliit na negosyo lang mabubuno niyan. Pero think about this. Sa mapapanood mong video na to, makikita mo na kaya mong kumita ng 50, 100, 300,000, even millions, pero sa maliit na kapital. Ngayon, bibigyan lang kita ng disclaimer kasi lahat naman ng pagninegosyo talagang tinatrabaho, di ba? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Pero I suggest panoorin mo tong buong video na to at makikita mo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Alright? Before anything else, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Mon Reyes. I'm one of the gold ranks here in Live Good. I'm also the co-founder of Millionaire Makers, where we don't just make you millionaires, we make makers of millionaires out of you. I'm part of the DMW Speakers Bureau. I'm a great father to 3 and a loving husband. Kahit tanungin niyo po sila, sasabihin nila, totoo yan. I'm also a servant leader in the feast. By profession po, I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker. At prior to Live Good, napagdaanan ko na po halos lahat. Naging empleyado ako ng 5 years, OFW for 4 years, and I've been in business for 24 years, 12 of which as real estate broker. Maganda naman po yung mga pinagagawa kong yan. In fact, nakapagpatapos ako ng 3 anak doing that. However, kulang na kulang po kasi talagang we were struggling. At saka hindi nakakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap. Malaki ako mangarap eh. May pangarap ako sa sarili ko, sa pamilya ko, at saka dun sa mga taong nasa paligid ko. Even to my community, I have big dreams for them. Kaya ako naghanap ng paraan or ibang way kumita kung saan doon naman matutupad yung mga pangarap ko. And that's when I found Live Good. At pinag-aralan ko po talaga si Live Good. Inalam ko yung sistema at inadapt ko yung sistema. Kaya ito po, tuloy-tuloy at unti-unti nang natutupad yung mga pangarap ko. Now, if you're going to enter into any company, you have to remember to check the 3 Ps. The profile of the company as well as the people behind the company, the products, and the plan or the compensation plan. Papakita ko po sa video na to na talagang napakaganda ni Live Good. And if you're thinking na alam mo na to, please, tanggalin nyo po sa isip nyo yan kasi kakaiba talaga ang maririnig nyo ngayong gabi. Kasi si Live Good has adopted a very different kind of business model. Live Good is the membership club that pays. First of a kind po sa ating industriya at talagang napakagandang konsepto nito. So si Live Good po is a membership club, parang Landers and SNR, whereby yung mga members lang nila ang exclusively nakakapasok dun sa stores nila para makabili ng mga products nila. And we pay our fees through subscription, whether monthly yan or yearly. Ngayon, kung hindi kayo familiar sa subscription, ito po yung mga companies that are offering the same. Kasi most likely, isa ka ng subscriber, hindi mo lang alam. Ngayon, ano po ba yung subscription business na yan? Gaano po ba kalaki yan? Siguro nagtataka kayo. So pag-usapan natin all about subscription and subscription economy. Yung mga companies na nakikita nyo on the left side of your screen, those are all subscription companies. And check this out. Tayo nagbabayad sa kanila ng maliit na halaga, whether monthly or annually, para tuloy-tuloy natin natatanggap yung benefits and value that they're offering exclusively to their members. Kung maliit lang binabayad natin, baka maliit lang din ang kitaan dyan. Tignan natin. Si Netflix po, isang kilalang subscription company yan. $9.99 ang binabayad natin monthly. Wala pa pong 600 pesos yon. Pero think about this. Meron siyang 282 million subscribers. Kumita po si Netflix ng $37 billion in revenue in 2024. At kung tanggalin mo lahat ng ginastos ni Netflix, kumita pa rin po ng $7.7 billion. At yan yung pinaghati-hatian ng iilang may-ari ng Netflix. Now, membership club. Si Costco po, it's a membership club with over 132 million members. 79 million members are paying members. Kumita po si Costco ng $4.8 billion in revenue from membership fee alone. Imagine that, hindi pa siya nagbebenta ng produkto, wala pa siyang serbisyong binibigay, kumita na si Costco ng bilyones. Ganyan po kalaki ang kitaan sa subscription at membership club business. Now, though this company are offering amazing products and services, but they don't have what Live Good has. Ano po yon? Subscription that pays. Now, we always say that we will be the next Amazon. So, ano ba si Amazon? Paano ba siya nagsimula? In 1995 po, nag-start si Amazon selling books online. Pero fast forward natin, ngayon po, kung ano kailangan nyo, makikita mo sa Amazon. Kasi they have expanded nearly 5 years after. Ganon din po si Live Good. Live Good was launched in December of 2022 in Jupiter, Florida, pero global expansion na po agad yan. With the concept of wholesale membership club. It is the first home-based business opportunity that profit shares its revenues to us, the affiliate members. It is the membership club that pays. Live Good revenue comes from the membership club, not from product sales. Kaya kayang-kaya po natin talagang ibigay yung ating mga produkto at wholesale price. Kahit isa lang po ang bilhin nyo, wholesale price mo siyang mabibili. And that's the reason why we are creating record-breaking membership numbers. 1.8 million members in as short as 2 years. At padagdag lang po ng padagdag yan kasi hundreds are joining every hour. So let's meet the people behind this success. Unang-una, our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Ben Glinsky has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space. Ben knows exactly how to make people win. Sinoder Kazan naman, our Director of Field Marketing, kung 20 years yung experience ni Ben, Sinoder 30 years ang experience. At ang passion niya, i-bring out yung best potential ng mga affiliates. Now, these two people are on the business side of our company. Ito naman po, on the product side, we have Dr. Ryan Goodkin, a combination of natural health practitioner and a pharmacist. Siya yung nagpo-formulate ng products natin at sinabi niya, I don't formulate products to sell but for my family and myself to use. So hindi lang po effective, hindi lang high quality yung products natin, very, very safe pa. Lisa Goodkin naman, our Director of Product Education, has 20 years of experience in the health and wellness industry. At talagang tuturuan niya po tayo hindi lang about the products, but good health habits as well. Now, yung combination po ng 4 na leaders na yan in their own field, creates true success kasi true leadership creates true success at yan yung success natin. So right now po, alam na natin yung company, alam na natin yung people behind the company, alam na natin yung future ni Live Good. So definitely, isang big check na ang ibibigay nyo sa profile. Now let's talk about the products. Starting with high quality, organic, very affordable, natural products ang Live Good. Ngayon, baka nagtataka kayo kasi alam natin na pag sinabing natural, organic, high quality, mahal. Well, binago na po ni Live Good yan. Tignan nyo po to. Our Super Greens. Nutrition from head to toe, energy, pati yung ating digestive system pagagandahin. Ang katapat niyan, pinaka-nearest, yung AG1. It's not even organic. Pero napaka-popular yan sa mga athletes. Imagine, $99 for AG1 sa atin, $18 lang. That means you can buy 5 Super Greens for the price of 1 AG1. Ganyan po kababa yung presyo natin. Our plant-based protein, good for 1 month, $34.95. Itong Total Vegan, that's only good for 14 days, meaning dalawa kailangan mo para ma-cover mo in 1 month. $62.95 na. Our collagen peptides, apart from collagen, dinagdagan pa po ni Doc Ryan ng 3 ingredients that complements the effect of collagen in our body. Itong Green Compass, collagen lang po ang laman yan, $79.96. Sa atin, $27.95. What am I saying here? Kung user din lang po kayo nitong products na to, mag-member kayo sa Live Good, mag-shift kayo ng brand, makakatipid kayo ng $224 every month. That's almost 15,000 pesos po. Pwede nyo nang gamitin yan, pambayad ng utility bills nyo, tama? Ngayon ito maganda. Since we are available in over 200 countries, nag-create si LiveGood ng product bundle and they call it International Wellness Pack. 6 na produkto na talagang kailangan ng katawan ng bawat tao, pinagsama-sama sa isa at ginawang available sa mga international affiliate members for only $99.95, shipping fee included. Wala na po kayong ibang babayaran, $99.95 lang at makakarating yung 6 na produkto na yan sa inyong doorstep. Ito, tignan nyo. Skinny Greens, not even organic, isang produkto lang, $99.95 na. Yung ating International Wellness Pack, 6 na produkto, napakaganda ng quality, $99.95 lang, wala ng shipping. Si Skinny Greens nga pala, meron ka pang babayarang shipping dyan. Ganyan po kaganda si Live Good, ganyan kababa yung ating mga prices, pero yung quality natin, hindi nag-sacrifice kasi napakataas ng mga quality ng mga products natin. And Live Good will be the next Amazon. Yes, we are starting with health and wellness, but we are not a health and wellness company. Kasi Live Good, though we launch with health and wellness product because of what we've experienced 5 years ago at nalaman ng tao na kailangan natin lahat maging healthy. However, we make sure na yung ating mga products available, affordable ng lahat ng tao. But Live Good will just keep on adding more products, more services, and soon Live Good will be a one-stop online wholesale superstore. Kasi po, though we're starting with health and wellness, we will add travel, household products na soon to be launched. Skincare, actually, na-launch na natin yung skincare na yan. Water filters, online services, and whatever you need. Kung ano kailangan nyo, time will come, makikita nyo sa Live Good. Higher quality, lower price. Ganyan po ang value at benefit na exclusive lang for Live Good members. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, mag-Live Good na kayo. And here are few more, 6 more reasons why you should join Live Good. Unang-una, amazing products. Pangalawa, incredible wholesale pricing. And because we are confident of our quality, we offer a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Nothing to sell, nothing to buy. You buy what you want when you want. At dito wala na pong auto-ship. Yan yung mandatory buying of products para ma-receive yung commission mo. Kung ano yung due sa'yo, ibibigay sa'yo ni Live Good. And we have a very powerful compensation plan. First of a kind in the industry where everybody wins. And especially, the timing is perfect. Yung 1.8 million members po, maliit pa po yan. And this, ang future ni Live Good, 200, 300, even 500 million members. So kung sasali ka ngayon na 1.8 million members pa lang, ang laki na po ng benefit nyo pag pumasok yung pang 300 million members na yan. So how do you become an affiliate? Simple lang po. You pay a $40 one-time affiliate fee. Hindi nyo na po babayaran uli yan. Plus, a first month subscription of $9.95. Yan na lang po yung babayaran nyo the following month so that you can continue to receive the value and the benefits being given exclusively to Live Good members. $49.95. Magkano yan in peso? Wala pa pong 3,000 pesos yan. Pwede na kayong magkaroon ng napakalaking negosyo. Ganyan lang po kasimple yan. Kaya balikan nyo na yung nagpadala ng video na to sa inyo at sabihin nyo gusto nyo nang sumali sa LiveGood. Now, once you become an affiliate, ma-open na po yung 7 ways to earn natin sa LiveGood or our affiliate compensation plan. We have weekly fast start commission, matrix commission, matching bonuses. Kung mahilig ka magbenta, meron pa rin kita. Retail commission, customer acquisition bonus, and influencer bonuses. At ang pinakamaganda dito, what we call the retirement income or the diamond bonus pool. Sige, isa-isahin natin lahat yan. Yung weekly fast start commission, for every successful affiliate na magjo-join sa team mo, you will receive $25. Ang ibabayad nila, tulad mo, $49.95, pero ikaw makakatanggap ka ng commission na $25. So imagine this, makapagpasok ka lang ng dalawa, bumalik na sa iyo yung nilabas mong $49.95. At ang maganda nito, unlimited ang pwede mong ma-refer sa LiveGood. So just think about this. Let's say nakapagpasok ka or nakapag-refer ka ng 10 tao para maging affiliate member din ng LiveGood. That's 10 times $25. That's $250 na matatanggap mo the following week. At ang maganda nito, if you continuously do the business, if you continuously refer people to LiveGood, you will rank up and open more deeper levels. Kasi pag nag-bronze ka dito, ma-open yung level 2. Sino yung level 2? Yun na yung mga na-refer nung na-refer mo. Pag nag-silver ka, levels 3 and 4. At kung dire-diretso kang nag-rank up, aabot ka sa diamond, ma-open all the way to level 10. Ni-refer mo, hindi mo na sila kilala, pero kikita ka pa. Magugulat ka na lang, 1 week hindi ka nakapag-refer pero meron kang fast start commission. Kasi nga, nasa malalim na yung naaabot mo. Ganyan po kaganda yung fast start commission na yan. Pero meron pa tayong additional way of earning, yung matrix commission natin. Kasi lahat tayo na affiliate members dito, we will belong to one matrix and we will have our own personal matrix. Sa matrix po, 2 tao lang ang ikakabit ng system for every one affiliate. Ano yun? Sinabi mo, sa example mo, 10 yung naging direct referral ko dito. Saan mapupunta yung 8? Ikakabit na po ni system yan dun sa mga taong nakabit sa'yo. Ang tawag po dyan spillover. And when we start here in LiveGood, we are all unranked. But even if we're unranked, open na po yung level 1 to 12 ng ating matrix commission. Pag napuno po yung levels 1 to 12 na yan, aabot po ng $2,047 yung ating matrix commission even when we're unranked. Pero mas maganda pa rin po talaga magpa-promote tayo to higher rank. Kasi pag nag-bronze or silver ka, level 13 unlock. Pag napuno po yan, doble agad yung iyong matrix commission, $4,095 na. Pag nag-gold or platinum ka, level 14 unlock, doble na naman yung iyong matrix commission, $8,191. At ang maganda nito, pag nag-diamond ka, open na po from level 1 all the way to level 15 ang iyong matrix income. Magkano po yun? $16,383 pag napuno. In peso, that's over 960,000 pesos. Ganyan po kalaki yung kitaan dito sa LiveGood. Pero may mas malaking kita dyan. Yung tinatawag nating matching bonus. Kasi dito sa matching bonus, lahat tayo magkakaroon ng matrix. Therefore, lahat tayo magkakaroon ng matrix income. Sabi dito, kung magkano yung tinatanggap mo, tinatanggap nung direct na refer mo dito sa LiveGood, sa kanyang matrix income, meron kang 50%. So kung meron kang referral na tumatanggap na ng 1,000, may 500 ka. Kung meron kang tumatanggap na ng 500, may 250 pa. Kung magkano tinatanggap nila, matatanggap nila ng buo, may 50% ka pa. Pero again, suggestion, mag-rank up kayo kasi when you rank up, you will not just be matching to your direct referral, you will be matching to their organization. In fact, pag nag-diamond ka po, unlock yung 5th generation matching mo dito. And here is an example of matching bonuses. As you can see here, Meron siyang personally enrolled, may 50% siya. Pero meron din siyang silver generation bonus. May platinum generation bonus, may gold generation bonus. So yes, totoo po yan at maramihan niyang kitang yan. Kaya pong umabot ng thousands of dollars ang ating mga matching bonus depending on how big your organization na na-build mo. Alright? Now, if you're into sales, you can actually have compensation pa rin dito kasi meron tayong retail commission sales. Retail commission, whereby ipapadala mo lang yung shop link mo, pag umorder dun yung mga tao, may commission ka pa. Si LiveGood na lahat, siya yung mag-receive ng order, tatanggap ng payment, siya yung mag-ship. Ikaw mag-aantay ka na lang ng commission mo. Ngayong customer acquisition bonus for every direct referral, though pareho na kayong member enjoying the benefit, on their first order, may commission ka pa. Now, if you're an influencer, marami ka ng followers, definitely mas malaki yung volume na naipapasok mo sa LiveGood, then you would receive an additional influencer bonus at pataas lang ng pataas yung commission mo. At ang maganda nito, yung tinatawag naming retirement bonus or the diamond bonus pool, once you reach the diamond rank, para ka ng co-owner kasi kasama ka na sa profit sharing of all the sales of the company worldwide. Kasama dyan yung membership payments, subscription fees, even all products purchases. So let's say for example, 10 million yung kinita ni LiveGood. Diamond receives 2%. 2% of 10 million, 200,000. So even if 100 diamonds yung maghahati-hati niyan, may tag 2,000 sila. Crown Diamond, bukod dun sa 2, kasama na sila sa Diamond Bonus Pool, may additional pang 0.5%. Magkano yan? 50,000. And currently, 3 lang po ang Crown Diamond natin. At sila naghati-hati. They each receive more than $16,000 Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. At talaga bang binibigay ni LiveGood yan? Yes po. Here are 3 diamonds. Hindi sila sabay-sabay nag-diamond, pero yung diamond bonus pool nila equal sharing. So ang kitaan po dito sa LiveGood, by the way, $2,288. That's about 140,000 pesos. Pero may matching bonus pa sila, may matrix commission pa sila. Kaya yung mga diamond po dito kaya talagang kumita ng 300,000 and above. So the earnings here in LiveGood is true at malakihan. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, kung gagawin mo si LiveGood, anong paraan mo gustong gawin? Yung mahirap na paraan, o madaling paraan? Well, may good news ako sa iyo. Kasi dito sa ating Philippine team or the DMW came up with a game plan in 2025. Ano yun? To create 100 diamonds. New affiliate or dati ng affiliate, pag hindi ka pa diamond, pwede kang sumali dito. 100 diamonds in 2025. At ang game plan natin, napakasimple lang. Ang project, get 3, help 3, repeat. Yes, hindi nyo kailangan ng 30, 300. All you need are 3 people na napasok dun sa ating programa. Ano naman yung program natin? Kailangan yung 3 taong yan ay nangangailangan ng dagdag kita. At yan 3 taon yan, kayang gawin yung 4 easy steps na ipapakita ko sa iyo mamaya. And that's the system of DMW whereby dito madi-develop ka to become a leader and you will duplicate yourself creating leaders in your entire organization. Therefore, you will be able to build a community of leaders stable na talagang iisa lang ang direction na lahat tayo mag-succeed. Imagine, healthy, wealthy, and good community of leaders ang mabibuild mo rito. So are you ready? Paano ba yan? Paano ba yung programa na yan? Simple lang po. Get 3 and in 7 weeks or 7 months, pwede kang maging diamond. Halimbawa, ikaw yan. On your first week, hanapin mo kagad yung 3 mo. 3 na pasok sa programa. Pag nakuha mo yung 3 yan, bronze ka na, kita ka pa ng $75. Right? Ngayon, on the second week, yung 3 nakuha mo, tulungan mo samahan mo upang makuha nila yung pagatlo nila. Nadadagdagan ng 9 yung iyong organization. That's another $45 for you kasi meron ka ng unlock na yung level 2, bronze ka na, right? And then on the third week, yung siyam naman ang kukuha ng pagatlo nila. Silver ka na by then, kumita ka pa ng $67.50. On the fourth week, yung siyam ang kukuha ng pagatlo nila, may kita ka na naman, $202. On the fifth week, pag yung 27, kumuha ng tagatlo nila, madadagdagan ng 243 people in your organization, you'll be considered gold or promoted to gold. Kita ka pa ng $364. On your sixth week, yung 243 na ang kukuha ng tagatlo nila. That's an additional 729 people in your organization. Platinum ka na. You still earn $729. Ito maganda. On the seventh week, provided na tuloy-tuloy yan, weekly, yung bagong sumasali, kumuha ng tagatlo. Guess what? May papasok na 2,187 people in your organization. At pag tinotal mo lahat yan, lalagpas na po ng 2,500 people and you will be considered as diamond. And diamond here has the potential earning of $5,000. That's 300,000 pesos. Ngayon, kung nabibilisan ka sa weekly kasi you're going to do this part-time lang, then subukan natin, baka kaya mo ng monthly. On the 7th month pa lang, 300,000 nakikitain mo. March ngayon, by October, 300,000. November, 300,000. December, 300,000. How would you like a Christmas with 900,000 budget? Kaya gawin nyo po itong programa na to, gawin nyo itong sistema na to at magiging diamond ka in 7 weeks or 7 months. Within 2025, diamond ka. Pero we're just talking about the fast start commission. What about your matrix? Yung first referral, second and third referral mo, may mga matrix income na yan, $273 each. Ikaw, meron kang $819.25. May matching ka sa kanilang tatlo 50% of 273 times 3, that's $409.50. Magkano yung total na kinita mo? $1,228 or 77,325 pesos. Ang gandang kita na po niyan. Talagang mako-cover na lahat ng bills mo, may extra ka pa for savings. Now, kailangan, yung tatlong mapapasok mo dito, kailangan ng dagdag kita. At kayang gawin yung 4 easy steps. Ano ba yung 4 easy steps na yan? I'm telling you, kung merong isa dito sa 4 easy steps na to na mahihirapan ka, huwag ka sumali sa Live God. Okay? Yung first step natin, approach. Ang gagawin mo lang sa approach, magtatanong ka lang, i-chat-chat mo lahat ng kakilala mo sa Facebook, i-text mo lahat ng nasa phone mo, nasa Viber mo, nasa Telegram mo, at tatanungin mo sila. Pwede po bang magtanong? Definitely, you will receive a reaction for that. Pero tanungin kita, mahirap ba o madali ang magtanong ng pwede po bang magtanong? Madali po yan. Kayang gawin ng kahit na sino yan. Again, magkakaroon ka ng reaction dyan. Ano yun? Minsan lolokohin ka pa. Basta hindi math at science, pwede. Ngayon, magtatanong ka ba? Ito po yung script na ipapadala nyo. Nasa subscription business ako at naghahanap ako ng gustong mag-subscribe at potential na kumita. Magre-react na naman sila. Ano yan? Baka scam yan ha? Ano yan? Baka pyramiding yan. Ayoko yan. Huwag po pa rin kayo sasagot. Instead, magtatanong kayo. Kailangan mo ba ng dagdag kita? Ano muna yan? Papaliwanag mo muna sa akin. Pero hindi. Sagutin mo muna yung tanong ko. Kailangan mo ba ng dagdag kita? Pag sinabi nila finally, yes, kahit sino naman kailangan ng dagdag kita ganito gagawin mo. Sabihin mo sa kanya, since kailangan mo ng dagdag kita, may papadala akong sa iyong video, simulan mo at tapusin mo hanggang dulo at saka tayo mag-usap pagkatapos mong mapanood. Mahirap po ba o madali ang magpadala ng video sa internet? Napakadali lang po niyan. Ngayon, pagkatapos nila mapanood yan, definitely may mga tanong yan. Ano yan? Paano ginagawa yan? Anong klaseng suporta matatanggap ko dyan? Again, hindi nyo po sasagutin yan. Ang gagawin nyo, maghahanap na kayo, hihingi na kayo ng tulong dun sa inyong coach or dun sa inyong sponsor. You're going to enter into a three-way call. Kasi po, si sponsor nyo or si coach nyo, payag po ba kayo na siya ang sasagot sa lahat ng tanong ng prospect nyo? Siya ang magkukonbinse sa prospect nyo na mag-join sa Live Good. Siya ang lahat ng gagawa, pero yung 1,500 na weekly fast start commission mapupunta sa'yo. Kung payag ka at kaya mong mag three-way call, madali lang para sa'yo mag three-way call, pasok ka na naman sa programa. Ngayon, once you start the three-way call, ganito sasabihin mo sa prospect mo. Good news! Hindi ako ang sasagot sa lahat ng mga tanong mo. Andito si Coach Mon o kung sino yung sponsor mo at siya ang sasagot sa lahat ng tanong mo. Kasi si Mon ang nag-guide sa akin, nag-a-assist at tumutulong sa akin gawin ang Live Good. Kasi as of now, nagte-training pa lang ako. After that, tatahimik ka na at ang pinaka-task mo, makikinig sa tanong at makikinig kung paano sagutin ng coach mo yung mga tanong. Kasi kung paulit-ulit mong ginagawa yan, makakabisa mo rin kung ano yung common na tinatanong ng mga tao at malalaman mo kung paano sagutin to. Mahirap po ba o madali lang ang makinig? Madali lang din po yan. Ngayon, pagkatapos sagutin ng coach mo or ng sponsor mo, lahat ng tanong ng client mo, ready na siyang sumali. At ang fourth step, papadala mo lang yung landing page mo na kung saan dun siya magre-register at tuloy-tuloy nang magbabayad para maging affiliate member mo. Ganyan po kasimple, ganyan po kadali ang 4 easy steps and I'm assuring you, hindi po mahirap yan, madali po yan. Now, if you're not a member of Live Good yet, I highly recommend, balikan nyo yung nagpadala ng video na to at sabihin nyo gusto nyo nang sumali. Kasi ito po yung nawawala sa inyo. Unang-una, good health. Imagine, highest quality products, most affordable prices, kaya na nating magpaka-healthy. Pero hanggat hindi ka pa member, wala pa, hindi mo pa matatanggap yung mga benefits na yan. Income, nakita nyo, malakihan, pero magkano yung simula? 3,000 pesos. Or kung gusto mong mas makatipid, 8,400 pesos, covered ka na for 1 year. And of course, savings, kasi napakababa po ng mga produkto natin. Yan ang benefit and value exclusively available for members only of Live Good. If you're not a member yet, yan yung nami-miss out mo. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, mag-member ka na, wag mo nang patagalin. At ang nalulugi sa'yo o nawawala sa'yo, income na 300,000 pesos monthly or even millions monthly. Yan ang nami-miss out mo. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, balikan mo yung nagpadala ng video na to, tanungin mo na lahat ng tanong mo, and finally decide to become a member of Live Good. This is Mon Reyes saying, do live good to live good. Bye-bye.